What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I had a phenomenal weekend, hung out with the family and friends, and really cool thing is that on Sunday morning while I was sleeping, right, I got a payment of $300 commission came through, and this happened at 3 in the morning, right? And so I just want to flip over the camera and just show you how amazing it is to be part of an affiliate marketing opportunity where you can have a business that is running for you 24/7 once you have certain marketing strategies in place. So I'm going to flip over the camera and just show you just proof that this commission came through at what, like almost, it was 3:54 in the morning. So let me real quick, as you can see right here, this is a payment amount of $300 commission here, Online Pro, and this happened at 3:54 a.m. That was a day ago. I'm just sharing this with you to show you what is possible. And you can see all these different testimonials of team members that are coming in and they are creating success. So I'm super excited for that. I'm excited that it's not just the top leaders creating results, but also people that are, fairly new to the industry, and they're getting access to the training, they're learning the strategies. And the most important thing is that they are applying those strategies and staying consistent. That is the formula of achieving anything, right? And it doesn't just come to business, it comes to health, it comes to wealth. Any goal that you're trying to achieve, it's all about having the right information and not only gaining that information, but doing something with it, right? Taking daily actionable steps on a consistent basis to start creating the results that you desire. So go ahead and get started with the team today. Go ahead and visit infinityprocessingsystem.info. Get the full details. You can pause and watch the different testimonials here. You don't want to miss out though. We are going to be having a live session with the team. And that's exactly what you get as well. Once you become a team member, you not only get access to the step-by-step training at the pro level, you get access to my 6-figure blueprint, but you also get access to my private coaching group on Facebook, where you get access to all the pre-recorded live coaching sessions that I have done with other 6-figure earners that are also in the affiliate marketing industry. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're somebody that is serious, somebody that really wants to change your life, that you want to have the ability to be working from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, if you have a smartphone or a laptop, right, and Wi-Fi connection, and the will to learn a new strategy, learn a new industry where you can create extra income from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. If that is you, I want to work with you. I want to show you exactly what are the steps that I have taken, that my team members are taking on a daily basis, and that are helping them create the lifestyle that they desire. And this is not for lazy people. This is not a get rich, a quick scheme overnight, get rich quick scheme overnight. This is something that, if you want something that is durable, that is going to last a long time, you need to understand that's going to take time and dedication. And if you're willing to put in real effort and real dedication, right, then I want to work with you. So go ahead and visit the website. Other than that, take action. I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.